Hey everyone, you caught me. And you know what this is? This is Shrimp Mofongo. My gosh. It's not dry. You can taste the garlic, the textures of this mofongo, the green plantain. And this succulent shrimp is just to die for. And if you want to know how I make this, come and follow me to the kitchen. I'll show you how to make this. It's very simple, and we're gonna just drop down the shrimps now and get this going. We're dropping the shrimps. I'm using a jumbo size. We're gonna get that going. Are going to work on the green plantains and show you how to cut them up and get them fried. When you buy your green plantains, make sure they're very hard. They're not a little soft, because then they'll be churning and you're not going to get that full flavor and texture when you make your mofongo. You cut the ends, make one incision going down the skin, and make another one like that. You're able to pull it off. Now you could, it's easy, with your finger, get your thumb in and peel it off, like so, or you could probably use the end of the spoon and just go in case if you have nails and you don't want to go that route. You could also put the spoon in and it'll pull off for you. We're gonna cut them like size of coins, not too big and thick because it'll take very long to cook. But you also don't want to cut them too thin. Then they'll burn on you and they won't cook very well on the inside. So it'll be something like that. And I usually probably have them kept in water with a little bit of salt, but you don't have to do that. You could kind of go right into the oil. So we cooked our first batch of our green plantains. So we're gonna kind of cut into it and just to make sure it's cooked. So it opened up very good, but this difference in color there. So the sides, you can see it's nice and cooked. You can still feel a texture and a bit of the moisture is soft. So we're gonna start hammering away on our shrimp mofongo. I'm gonna just measure, before I go ahead and measure, we're gonna season this with some salt and toss it around. So I'm just gonna measure this here. This is gonna be how I'm gonna mold my mofongo. I'm gonna put it in. I'll take a little bit out, it'll be easier for me to start mashing. I'll add some more. Now, there's always, depending where you go, you have different type of texture, and some people say the mofongo is dry, some say it's moist, different restaurants, but I always put some oil with my garlic, and I put like about 2 tablespoons of garlic with the oil. This is gonna assure me that my mofongo is gonna come out moist, it's not gonna be dry, and it's gonna be full of flavor. Never had a complaint of my mofongos at my restaurant, and people just loved it because it was so unique and flavorful, and it was moist, it wasn't dry. We're mashing away. I always like to put some protein in my mofongo, whether it's chicken, pork, or the shrimp. So I'll take 2 shrimps out, pull off the tail, make sure you get that out of the way, and I'm just gonna drop it in there. I'm gonna mash it together, and at every bite, you're not just gonna get shrimp outside of your mofongo, you're gonna get it inside also. I'm gonna take that out, and it is hot, so be careful. Wear gloves on this case. So we already did the molding. It has shrimp inside. We're going to plate. This is how I used to plate my mofongo. I want to make it very eye appealing. Obviously, we eat with our eyes. So I'll make this really nice. I'll put 5 shrimps on top. And I have my sauce that I made earlier before. Now, if you want to know how to make the sauce, you can look at my prior video, criolla sauce. And there I will show you how to make different sauces using the same base of that shrimp sauce. And there you go. Add a little bit of cilantro. Here you go, Shrimp Mofongo. Thank you for watching Gio's Latin Table. I'm your Latin chef. Muchas gracias, mi gente. Hasta la próxima.